Microsoft has just released a groundbreaking tool that is set to revolutionize the AI industry. Get ready to be amazed by VisualChatGPT. This new tool connects ChatGPT with a series of visual foundation models, allowing for the seamless integration of images during chat conversations. Let's dive in and explore the incredible capabilities of this technology. Do you remember when GPT-4 was announced and we were teased with the possibilities of multimodal models? Well, VisualChatGPT takes that excitement to a whole new level. Although ChatGPT was upgraded from 3.5 to GPT-4, one of the most anticipated features was the ability to incorporate images into the conversation. And now, Microsoft has delivered. The visuals in this image show exactly what happens when you combine the power of ChatGPT with images. It's truly fascinating. The accompanying paper goes into great detail about how this technology works. But here's the best part. You can try it out for yourself. The demo is available in the link below, and I'm going to walk you through some of the incredible examples that showcase the potential of VisualChatGPT. Before we proceed, let's clarify that VisualChatGPT is currently in the demo phase, so we can't be sure if this is the final version. Nevertheless, it provides a tantalizing glimpse into the future of AI. So let's take a look at some of the examples and see how it works. In the first example, the user asks VisualChatGPT to generate an image of a cat, and voila, a cat appears on the screen. Now you might think this is similar to other prompt generators out there, but wait, there's more. In another example, the user requests the system to replace the cat with a dog and remove a book from the image. And just like magic, the cat is replaced by a dog and the book disappears. It's truly impressive. But here's where VisualChatGPT sets itself apart. The user asks the system to generate the canny edge of an image, and instantly, the system delivers the result. And that's not all. The user then asks for a yellow dog based on a given image, and once again, VisualChatGPT delivers. It's incredible how well it performs. VisualChatGPT also excels in iterative reasoning. For example, the user sends an image and asks the system to generate a red flower conditioned on the predicted depth of the image and make it look like a cartoon step by step. And guess what? VisualChatGPT successfully achieves that? It's truly mind-blowing. But let's not stop there. I want to show you some examples of my own experiences using this tool. I tried generating images, describing images, and making changes to them. And while the tool is still in the demo phase and has some limitations, the results were fascinating. I requested VisualChatGPT to generate a figure of a cat running in the garden, and it produced a decent image. Then I asked it to remove the cat, and it promptly did so. I even asked it to replace a pink flower with a yellow flower, and it delivered once again. However, it's important to note that VisualChatGPT does have limitations. It heavily relies on ChatGPT and visual foundation models, and any inaccuracies in these components can affect the output. The prompt engineering process can also be time-consuming and requires some trial and error to achieve the desired results. So, while VisualChatGPT is undoubtedly impressive, it's important to set realistic expectations. Additionally, VisualChatGPT has some limitations in terms of the complexity of image manipulations it can perform. It may struggle with more intricate requests or fail to accurately understand certain prompts. However, considering that this is just the demo phase, we can expect further improvements and refinements in the future. It's worth noting that VisualChatGPT has immense potential beyond just generating and manipulating images. It can be applied in various domains such as virtual reality, gaming, creative content generation, and much more. The ability to seamlessly integrate visual and textual inputs opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for AI applications. Microsoft's VisualChatGPT showcases the power of multimodal AI models and brings us one step closer to a future where AI can better understand and interact with the world around us. The combination of language and vision has the potential to transform how we communicate, create, and solve complex problems. As we wrap up, I encourage all of you to check out the VisualChatGPT demo and experience its capabilities firsthand. Remember, this is just the beginning, and we can expect even more exciting developments in the field of multimodal AI in the coming years. The fusion of language and vision is set to reshape the AI landscape and unlock new possibilities for innovation. Get ready to be amazed by VisualChatGPT and the incredible future it represents.